welcome to my channel. I'm gonna make my name out of clay.
Okay.
Enjoy!
What colors do you have?
I just only got blue.
And the other colors are? What color is that?
Brown. I need to use it as making a mermaid. Use it.
What color is this?
Yellow.
This one?
Green.
This one?
And red. Only that.
Okay.
And this.
So what are you gonna do?
I'm supposed to make my name
Out of clay. Okay.
I'm supposed to make it.
What is your complete name?
Regina Piper Pagoda Apple.
Okay. So the first letter of your name is?
P.
What letter is it?
It is just like legs. It's so scary. It looks so scary. No. Last letter. Mid half place.
Okay. Is this a capital letter? Is this a small letter? Is this a capital letter?
Yes.
This one? A small or big letter of I?
Small.
Okay, this one?
Capital.
Capital. This one?
Capital.
This one? Capital also. Also this one is?
Capital.
This one? Not yet finished.
But this is a lowercase.
Lowercase? Okay. Are you done?